My name is Elena Shvab and I'm a head designer based in London. I'm thrilled to invite you to explore the world of bespoke headbands in my studio. With over 10 years of experience in millinery craft and with a background in textile design, I love working with a diverse range of materials, creating unique textures and textile material combinations, transforming them into wearable art. This is why I see headbands as a way of combining beautiful fabric materials in order to express personality. And today I will show you how to create your own bespoke headband. Headbands are more than just stylish and fashionable accessories. They are also effortlessly practical and easy to wear, elevating your style. Headbands are perfect for any occasion, whether it is casual wear or special event. It suits any hairstyle, from a slicky ponytail to a messy bun, braids, or loose curls. Headbands are an effortless way of elevating our style and expressing our personality. During this course, you will learn how to create and style your own bespoke headband, from shaping the base and adding structure with wire, use padding for volume, covering the headband with your choice of fabric, and creating beautiful decorations. After all, fashion is all about self-expression. By completing this course, you will have the skills to create a one-of-a-kind bespoke headband to wear your masterpiece with pride and let your personality shine through. So let's begin.